Welding used to be complicated, required years of training, doesn't seem that safe. And the results? Meet xTool MetalFab. A simple pull for perfect welds every time. From 0.008 inch sheets to 0.2 inch plates. Whether you're a small business owner, DIY user, or hardcore maker, xTool MetalFab simplifies metalworking for you. It has 108 plus presets. Simply select the material and thickness. Whether it's stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, or aluminum, etc. And it cuts perfectly too. But that's not all. MetalFab can even clean. Plus, it performs well between -10 to 40 degrees. It's your all-in-one mobile fabrication shop. Now, there's just one tiny issue. It's a bit expensive. So, how can we fix it? Well, we make magic. Introducing xTool MetalFab CNC Cutter. It's even more expensive. Sorry about that. But it's worth every penny. Using the same laser source, a coherent laser chip outputs powerful 1,200 watt fiber laser power, giving you an industrial-grade CNC cutter. 0.4 inch custom wrench, slicing it through like butter. Look, it's smooth, burr-free. It's not just powerful, it's smart and easy to use. With smart dual cameras, you can preview and calculate every inch of material. One-click nesting, making use of scrap material. Even the smallest objects can be cut with precision, maximizing every scrap of metal. Now, you might be wondering, do I need a massive workshop and a team of professionals to set this up, like other CNC cutters? Not at all. You can install it all by yourself, from start to finish. It's compact enough to fit into your workshop. We're not just helping you save cash. The CNC cutter unlocks a whole new world of creativity. We're handing you the keys to a metalworking revolution. This is xTool MetalFab, where one laser conquers both welding, cutting, and cleaning. So, what will you create with it?
Hello everyone, this is Abby from xTool.
Hello everyone, this is Jason. I'm the CEO of xTool.
Today we are so excited to invite our CEO Jason to test our most exciting product launch, xTool MetalFab.
This is I think this is the our most expensive, most but it's the ability to most powerful and the largest size machine that we've ever made. Yeah, it's expensive, but it's worth it. You will know why was it during our demo.
Okay, and welcome you guys. I also see some European friends and thanks for your stay up to watch our live stream. Thank you so much. And today we will cover a lot of things like the product introduction, Kickstarter price review, live test and demo. We also will introduce our upgrade service system, xTool Squad, and we will have a live remote connection with our US team. It's super exciting, so stay tuned and see what will happen. And we also will have the lucky draw and Q&A. Today, what's the lucky draw, Jason?
Yeah, I think we have about three winners. Will win about 1,000 coupon can be used on xTool website to buy MetalFab or accessories. Yeah, and remember, so today we will connect with our US teams. We will introduce our support system. I think this is very important. The service is very important, and now we are ready to show how we can support this our global customers to use these machines.
Yeah, not only can use on our xTool website, we also can use Kickstarter because our Kickstarter link is live on. So if you are interested, you can click the link and check the super early bird price. And remember, for the deposit holder, you can check your email box and find the final payment and check your final payment because you have paid the $500, right? So you just need to pay the remind balance. Okay, then we can introduce our Kickstarter price now. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the price.
Okay.
So we have two versions. So actually we have a small size of 800 watt. Actually, we can show the machine here. So
yeah.
So here is the 800. So our camera. So okay. So camera. This is the 800 watt laser welder,
yeah.
and it can also be a cutter. The difference is
it integrates.
We integrate the wire feeder in the machine. So here you can see, you can put the wire here. So it's together with the machine because the laser source, actually 800 watt is much smaller. Okay, so this is the 1200 watt. So because the laser source is much powerful, it's bigger. So the wire feeder here, you see the wire feeder is separate.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the weight is not very heavy. So for me, I can easily take it out. I think for a lot of users, yeah, this is a little heavier. Yeah, you can easily take it out.
Yeah, for our 800 watt, that would be $4,999. For our 1200 watt, that would be $6,999. But if you buy a combo, that would be $11,999 for our 800 watt. And
yeah, so remember, this is the super early bird.
Yeah.
So the number is limited. So if the number go out, so the price will be a little higher.
Early bird price.
Yeah, the early bird price.
Yeah, our combo just limitation. So don't miss out this opportunity, and you can grab the deal soon because if that's sold out, they could be the early bird price on our Kickstarter.
Yeah, but still on Kickstarter, the price is very good.
Yeah, it's the best deals.
Yes. So if you like it, if you choose it on Kickstarter, is a good choice for you. Okay. So
okay, so yeah, I just have a question for Jason. I've been following the power printer. xTool just once again step into a new area, the CNC cutting, the metalworking, and the welding. What did you do this decision?
Yeah, so xTool in the very beginning, so xTool is not only a laser machine brand. So the goal of xTool is to help people to create in the physical world. Actually, this is the vision of our brand. We know people have different ideas, that they want to handle different materials, they want to do different projects. And we noticed one thing that a lot of users are woodworking users. The woodworking are so popular. And in woodworking area, there are so many good tools.
Yeah.
So this enables a lot of people can create a lot of interesting projects in woodworking area. But when we see the metalworking, the tool actually is very, it's a little hard. It's a little hard to use, like for welding.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
really hard to learn.
Yeah, it's hard to learn. You need maybe years of training. Yeah. So we find opportunity because we know more things about laser. We find that the laser can do welding. So we have the idea. So can we make metalworking easier? So can we make metalworking no need years of training? And a lot of people, we want to enable a lot of people who are interested in metalworking to easily make project without the professional training. So I think MetalFab can realize these ideas.
Yeah, I think our mission is to make industry-grade metalworking could be accessible to everyone. It's super easy, super power, and I think the metalworking could be super beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah. So laser welding, laser cutting before is an industry product.
Yeah.
So for ourselves, we put more attention on how to make it easy to use. So today during this demo, you will see how it's easy to use to weld, to cut. Yeah, because our cleaning. So our hardware and the software, we spend a lot of R&D resources to make it easier.
Yeah.
And so maybe we can start showing how the laser welding works. But before that, so we need to notice that for me, so my experience on welding is okay. I think it's 1 or 2 hours. You know, so before this live stream, I spent 1 or 2 hours.
1 and 2 hour practice.
Yeah, practice how to weld it. Yeah, and test the machine. Yeah. So how many hours you have?
I'm a little bit more than you, just 3 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, but also we new to welding because we want to show you how simple that our xTool MetalFab laser welder is.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's start.
Okay, then we need to wear the
basic protect. Basic. Yeah, you can use the glass or like this very simple mask.
And we need to wear the mask.
Okay.
Okay. What material you want to try first?
So first, I will. So this material is stainless steel.
Stainless steel. Okay. I just want to show you guys our machine is really safe. Just we have the emergency button on our xTool MetalFab laser welder, and on our laser welder gun is also really lightweight, and we also have integrated the weld feeder button on the side the laser gun. So it just means you don't have to run back to the machine to adjust the weld feeder speed. So it's really simple.
This is let me start. So this is a 5mm stainless steel. So I will show, and you can see the whole process. Just open the machine.
Yeah, open the machine first. You need to wear your gloves.
Yeah.
This one. Okay.
Okay.
Jason, try first.
So here you can see the screen. We have a touch screen. It's very easy to use. So first we choose the material, the stainless steel.
Yeah.
We choose the thickness. So
0.2 inch.
I'm not very familiar with the inch.
And this one.
Okay. So we enable wire feeding and enable lasering.
Yeah.
Okay. Confirm because its safety is very important. Okay. So finish. It's very easy to set up.
Yeah, because we preload 108 parameter inside our machine. That means you don't have to adjust the parameter yourself. It's really simple to use.
And we also have an advanced model that you can change every parameters.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Jason tries the filler weld.
So give some details. Okay. I will start. Yep. Okay.
What happened? Yeah, you need to.
Some problem with the feeder. I think. Oh, we didn't open the feeder.
Yeah, we opened the feeder. Is that problem? Maybe you can try my machine?
No problem, no problem.
Okay.
But I can't feel the feeder move. Oh, sorry.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. So here you can see the we have 3 buttons here. I just made a mistake that enable the feeder. So yeah. there's on off. So I need to put this button here, and without this, so if the feeder is on, you can feel there is a strength because the feeder will automatically. You don't need to move by yourself.
Yeah.
The feeder will move it. So I will change another material.
Try again because Jason didn't open the wire feeder button.
Okay, and this time I think it works.
Yeah.
Actually, this is my first time to see this problem. Okay. Okay, I think the
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, I think it's really
the details.
clean.
Actually, it's very real. Actually, it's very real. We can see the details. So in the very beginning, so actually this is my first time
to try the feeder well.
Yeah. So I'm a little nervous in the beginning. So in the first part, it's not very good, but after that, you can see the other part. So you can see this part, the seam, the weld seam, actually it's very beautiful.
Yeah, it's really clean, right? And the pattern is really beautiful, I think.
Yeah, so this is the guy without professional training, 1 or 2 hours.
We can make it.
1 or 2 hours experience and a little nervous during the live stream because I made a mistake in the very beginning. But I think I'm very satisfied with the welding, and we try other materials. So we try next project.
High welding? Are you sure? It's
tube.
I think it's difficult than the feeder weld.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, tube welding. Yes.
Then let's go.
Okay. So actually, you need to change another parameter. My colleagues they set up for me, so I don't need to set it.
Oh, you need to wear the safety gear.
So this is actually, if you want to weld it with ordinary welder, it will be very hard and need a lot of training. But this is my, I think my 4th or 5th time to try this. I hope I can make it better. Okay, so I can start. Yeah. Okay. It's you can see. Okay. Okay, let's see the effect.
It's really clean.
I finished it with I think 1 minute. It's not perfect.
But I think it's really good for a beginner.
It's not perfect because again, oh, I see. Here, I didn't weld it on. You see?
Oh.
I didn't keep.
Make it.
Yeah.
Keep
Sorry.
touch in the metal.
Yes. Yes. So there is some small mistake, but it's not the reason of the machine. It's the reason of me. I didn't practice a lot, so I try. Maybe I can try another plate tube. Oh, I can weld it this way.
Okay, you can that side.
Yeah, I can weld it this way.
Okay.
So hope you're
successful.
Yeah. So
time.
last time I didn't make sure, so it's just this way, so it will not weld down. So this time I try to make it. Okay, maybe we choose this tube.
This one.
I think it's the
same.
Yeah, it's the same. Okay, we have a new tube here. I hope this time. So yeah, it's the live stream.
Okay.
Yeah, you can adjust the feeder, the wire by the button. Okay, I hope this time I success. Okay, yeah, this time.
This time is successful, I think.
Yeah. There is some place not very good. You can see not very good, but in most of the position, it's very good.
You can look at the back side, it's fully presentation.
Yeah, the back side is very smooth.
And presentation.
So yeah.
Yeah, I think it's my turn. I can try some thin material. How about the 0.2 millimeters aluminate? Then we can measure it first.
Yeah, it's very thin metal. So this is millimeter.
Okay, sorry.
You change the inch.
Yeah, inch is just really thin material.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really thin. Aluminate is the heat reflecting material, so actually it's really hard to weld them. So I will try it weld together. And I have switched the welding tee to the weld tee without the vial. Okay, then let's try. I try the lap welding. What happened? This machine
is open.
Oh, it don't work.
Enable lasering, everything.
This machine, I think, has some
Let me check.
problem.
Yeah, there's always. Okay, so ask our engineers to check what's wrong with this. Okay.
What happened? Then maybe we can try some copper. How about copper? You try first.
Yeah.
And later.
Okay.
You try first. Then maybe they will adjust the
there's
machine
always
first.
a small problems during the live stream.
铜丝. You can try first.
Okay.
We have other chance, change the copper wire.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
So I will make a welding two brass to weld at an angle, at the edge, like this way. So I try to make it. It's a little difficult to. Okay. I think they didn't change the wire. I need to change the wire of copper wire. 把这个换成铜丝。
换了。
Okay.
Yeah, they changed to the copper.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's not a wire.
You need to cut it
No,
down.
they didn't change the copper.
哦。
你把这个换成铜丝了吗？ But it's not like a copper.
It's not a copper.
Yeah, it's not a copper. The parameter is wrong. Yeah, sorry, I didn't change the. Yeah, I didn't change the parameter. So the brass, enable feeder, enable lasering. Yes, this time it will work. Okay. 那台机器房。
所有的案例都用你的机器。
要简单。
Okay, then we set the right parameter. We can try again. I just want to mention brass also a really heat refractive material, and it's perfect for the window frames and also perfect for some decoration. So let's see the well.
Yeah,
I think it's really, it's really clean.
So last time I used the wrong parameter. So remember, you need to change the materials, change the thickness.
Yeah.
I can see. So this is this size of the welding.
We can look at that side. We can put it here to make our camera to photos. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I will need your machine to try the thin material aluminum. Okay. Okay. Then.
Yeah. So you can see the process to change the.
Yeah. Actually, we have just
So you first close the machine.
you just have the 3 welding teeth, the weld teeth with the wire. And this one is the welding teeth without the wire. And this one is the laser cleaning weld teeth. Actually, it's really easy to switch. You can look at the process. And a lot of brands, they have a lot of welding teeth for different angles. But we just have one welding teeth for one angle. Okay, so it's really easy to use. So you don't have to switch a lot of angles.
Oh, it's so hot.
Okay, then let's try this 0.2 millimeter aluminum weld. Okay, then maybe I need a metal to hold it. Okay, then let's do. Oh, yeah, you can look at the weld. It's really clean, right? Yeah.
Did you weld it?
Yeah.
No, it's too light.
Oh, I did too fast, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
You move it too fast.
Okay, then I try it.
Let's experience. I think you didn't spend 3 hours. Yeah.
No, maybe I just practice the stainless steel, not the aluminum.
Yeah. So this way. So the welding thickness actually depends on the moving speed, especially for the thin materials. If you move it very slow, like this way, it will burn. And if you move it fast, it will not attach. So I burn it.
Yeah.
You can see. Okay. So if you make it very slow, it will burn through the material. And if you keep good speed, it will melt. So in the very beginning, it's not very fast. Yeah. So the parameter and the speed is very important. Don't to be too fast and don't to be too slow.
Yeah. So we need to.
Here you can see. So in the very beginning, it's fast. So you can see here the speed is good, but here the speed is too slow. So actually, it needs some practice.
Yeah.
You know,
I think thin material is the just the most difficult because you need to practice the speed.
She move it too fast because you can see it not well through the materials. Yeah, but if you are okay, if you keep a relatively good speed, it will weld like this way. So I just make a hole here, and if it's slow, it will burn through the material. Yeah.
I think our laser welder is perfect for the thin material weld because he has the minimized heat effective zoom. So he will not defect the surface of the material. At the same time, it also can have the deep penetration.
Yeah. So a lot of.
How about we do some destructive testing for your weld?
Yeah. So we see a lot of feedback of customers on the strength of the welding. So let's make a very simple test during the live stream. This is welded by a guy that he is not very experienced with this. So let's test what's the strength of the welding. Okay. But we know this is not a professional testing. Okay.
Oh. Wow.
Let me make. Okay.
Take care of your hand.
Okay. I make a.
Oh, it's super strong, sis.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's really strong. Actually, this hammer is too heavy.
No broken here.
Yeah.
Okay, so actually, this is not
the professional
way,
but
we have a professional testing.
Yeah, we submit our.
Yeah, we can show the professional testing video. Use a special machine. So, and the video on? Is the video on?
Okay, video. Just the video. Okay.
Okay. So we control it.
Yes, we control it, and this video just use our laser laboratory because we want to use the tensile test to test our strength of our weld. And this weld is the professional weld, so you can look, it's really strong. Yeah, you can. The failure location is the base metal. Yes. So this is our tensile testing, and we also submit our sample to the professional industry institution. So
you can see, yeah, this is tested by SDS. So we have some tests. You can see the
test.
Yeah, it's pass.
Pass, yeah.
Actually,
and this one is our presentation test, and we also pass the audit test. So we just know how crucial the welding quality of your cell. So we just submit our test, our sample to institution, and our weld is qualified. I think our laser machine also have the coherent laser chips, right?
Yeah, so the quality, so we are using a very high industry standard laser chip, is coherent. And because we need one laser to do welding and cutting, especially when you are doing cutting, you need a very strong, very stable laser output. So actually we test a lot of suppliers. We choose the best among them, but it's maybe the most expensive laser source, but it's the best.
We also have the test about our laser output. We can look at the video.
Yeah, so laser output video.
Yeah. This also suits in our laser laboratory. We can look at the video. We can look after running about one hour, our stable output is 1200 volts. Compared to other competitors and other brands, we see their output will be decline in about 5 minutes, but we can continue stable at around just 7 and 24 hours. So it's really great because we also use a algorithm named the laser output compensation algorithm. So you can make the outputs can be stable. It can make your work efficiency and really well. Okay, then let's turn to the laser cleaning. Laser cleaning. Initial we just actually this is our mystery functions because initial we just say our laser cleaning width is about 10 millimeters, just the 0.4 inch. But we hear your voice. You say you want to laser cleaning some bigger objects like the car, like a trunk. So recently we introduced a new function. Just look at this accessory.
Yeah, so we have a new accessory when we change. We make a small accessory and a small mirror and some change on the laser gun. So the laser cleaning, the wires can be.
We need to wear the goggle.
Yeah. The wires can be, I think, 60 millimeter wires, so you can clean big objects.
Yeah.
This is the prototype. This is not the final part. This is that we hear your voice. You want wider. You want a wider cleaning wise. So we just ask our engineer to think out the way.
The width. Yeah.
Okay.
And it also really secure actually because in the market a lot of brands, they don't have the,
You can see the process, the cleaning process. Actually, it's very, so why we make this is because we want to keep it safe. We don't want our machine to be a gun, a laser gun that you can hand it. It's not safe. But with this one, we make sure that you touch the material, and then you can make the cleaning. Without touching, it will not work.
Yeah.
So actually, the process is very satisfying. Let's change.
I think it's really interesting.
Yeah, I can do it for a very long time.
Yeah, I think maybe it can ease your pressure.
Yeah. So let's see the process. Actually, it's
really
the cleaning effect. It's good. Okay.
Okay.
So this is so this machine can be a laser cleaning machine. I think a qualified laser cleaning machine. And it can be changed to a CNC cutter. Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay.
This laser welder. Okay.
So, in order to make it a CNC laser cutter, you just need to change the hand. So here we actually we change the hand by this part, and then you just need to put it this way. So the camera. Okay. So the process actually is very easy. So first is how to say it? Yes. Set up the gun thing. Set up the gun. Okay, finish. And then to put it here, there's some connectors you need to put this way, and this, and here we have a. So this is for the gas. And then you finish.
It's super easy and super fast switch.
Yes. So we have two laser cutting machines. So this machine we will cut with a very heavy, very thickness carbon. So this is called carbon steel.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that machine we will cut some thin material because this is very heavy. Okay. Yeah. So which one we start?
Maybe we can start the rocky stove because a lot of people want to see us to create a rocky stove, so we can.
So actually, so we use that machine to cut some thin materials.
Yeah.
Yeah. So first material is stainless steel.
Yes.
Maybe you can operate the software.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, we have design find. Actually, you can find a lot of projects. So what's the name of this one? Rocky
stove. Yeah.
To make sure the camera is the picture of my computer. So you can easily find the projects on Design Find. By the way, Design Find will change a name.
Yeah, design file is our.
Sorry. I close the window.
You close the window. Yeah.
Sorry.
Design file. Design file. Our xTool website. We have a lot of design resources in the software. So you also can find a lot of design like the woodworking design, metalworking design.
Okay.
It's really convenient.
I find the project. So here. So which file? I think it's this file.
The second file, but we also need to open the machine first. We didn't open the machine. And at the same time,
you can directly open the material, open the file with design file.
Yeah. Before we do the project, we need to talk about the say gas nozzle.
Okay.
Yeah, because
so I set up the software in the very beginning, and for other parts, ignore it.
Yeah, we need to open the machine.
So you can see the process of the software operation. Actually, it's very easy. There are so many files. So I don't have that much time, so I just cut one part.
Okay. Okay. Then we first open the machine first. Wait a minute. Our machine is turned on. Yes, our machine is turned on. When the machine is turned on, maybe we can just take photos.
I need to clean other files because I don't want to cut so many files. Okay, there's only one graphic.
Yeah, and we also need to install this say gas nozzle. Yeah.
Yeah. So we
first introduce this nozzle.
Okay. So the setup is ready.
Yeah.
And the nozzle, we need to introduce the nozzles because this is a special design nozzle. You can see some details. Yeah, there's a ceramic part here. It's a moving part. During the cutting, this part will touch the material. By this way, the gas that you are using will keep a high pressure, and it will help cut through the materials. The effect of this nozzle is that it can save you using the gas. We make a test. Okay, so here, camera. So here we test the different pressure. So you can see here is 0.6
megapascal.
Megapascal.
Yeah.
This is say 0.6, 0.8, 1.2, and 1. So this one is so in the. So
look at the back side.
Yeah. So this line is for the saving gas nozzle. So this special design nozzle. This line is cut by ordinary nozzle.
I think the back side will be up here.
Ordinary. So we can see the cut through effect. So this is the front side.
Yeah, you can look at the back side.
This is the best side. Especially if you are not using a high pressure gas, the burns of the edge, the cutting edge, it's not good.
Yeah, it's a lot of burn.
Yeah, but we can make a comparison. So, which way? I think it's so beautiful because the front side and the back side, there's no burns. There is burns if you are using an ordinary nozzle. Yeah, so this is the 0.8 mega MPa, and if you use a smaller one here, This is 0.6 ampere. Yeah. So by using our solution, so actually we pay attention on how to make. So we know the price of the machine actually is not cheap, but we want to save you, to help you to save money. And so with this way, we can save the gas.
Yeah.
You can use ordinary air compressor to cut.
Like the 4 or 5 millimeter stainless steel.
To cut a 4 millimeter stainless steel, use only you can only use ordinary air compressor.
Yeah.
But if you with other machine, you need a very high pressure gas.
Yeah, like
very high pressure gas, like 1.2 gas, and it will cost a lot of money.
Because industry grade air compression and air dryer is really expensive.
And or you can buy gas. Okay, you can use a very big air compressor. Do we have a picture that shows?
Yeah, we have the picture.
An air compressor with 1.2 compared with 0.6. Do we have a picture to show that?
Yeah, and we can look at this just our air compressor.
Yeah, so really this is the air compressor that we are using. Actually,
really
it's very small.
Yeah.
But the industry 1.2, if you want a higher pressure, you need a very big machine.
Yes, so
you can see it on the picture.
Yeah, so for the long-term gas consumption, I think our solution is the best and cost-effective solution for you guys, because we deliver and we think about your needs, so we deliver this solution. Yeah. Okay, then we'll install our. Okay. I'll install our nozzle.
Nozzle. Yeah. Where is the nozzle?
Okay, I take it.
Okay.
Okay, and guys, we also have the easy set function. Just means you need to just click this button.
So, yeah, you can change. You may don't know how to set the power, how to set the speed. Don't worry, we have easy set material. So you just need to choose the material. So here I choose 3 millimeter stainless steel, and everything. The nozzle is right. The nozzle. So we can choosing the
telescope.
Telescope nozzle.
Yeah. Okay. And we also need to calibrate first.
Yeah, calibrate first.
Yeah.
Close the window. Okay.
Calibrate. To make it more precise, every time you're cutting your metal, you need to calibrate first.
Okay, so we start cutting.
Maybe it's not. It's not. It's okay. It's okay. Complete. Then we can start process. Then we start. This is one part of rocket stove.
Clean the machine.
Our just protecting window past the OD5 rating, so you can directly see the processing with your eye. You don't have any safety goggle. Oh, I think it's really fast. Okay. Then we open the base plate.
So finish.
Yeah. Okay. Open the base plate.
Yeah. Why there is 3 of them?
Oh, you need a.
So I think which one is hot? This one. Hey, it's not. Why is it?
I think this one. Yeah.
But it's not hot.
Because we have water. This one.
This one is a little warm. Yeah, it's a little warm.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, 3 of them. Okay.
You can look at the surface.
So here you can see the edge. So I think this is the back side.
Yes, this is the back side.
Yeah, it's very smooth.
Yeah,
it's very smooth.
Don't have the blur.
It's very smooth. The cutting effect is really good. You can see the edge. I think we can have the details on the edge, on two sides. It's very clean cutting.
Yeah, and really fast, right? And we also have really easy to use software. If you compare other industry software, that would be really complicated and hard to use.
Okay, so we do other cutting project.
Yeah, we do other cutting project. Might be the
this machine. Which one?
Carbon steel.
Carbon steel.
Yeah, I just want to cut a really thick material to test the performance of our machine. Yeah,
let's see it can. So the thickness of the carbon steel is so I'm familiar with millimeter. So I think it's 10 millimeter. So with camera come here to see the thickness, of the material here. Yeah, it's 9.5 millimeter. You see it? You see it? It's very thick. Yeah, it's very thick metal. Okay, so let's see. Can this machine you operate the software?
I operate. Okay, then maybe we can start, right?
To make sure we clean the tool. Okay.
Oh,
there's no other parts here. Okay.
Okay, then I prefer you close the window. Yeah. Okay, then we start. Okay. Ready?
Huh?
Then we start. Oh, maybe we need a hammer to make it down.
I need a hammer.
This one, I find it. Okay. Okay. You can look at, wow, it's super hot, I think.
Yeah, it's super hot.
Yeah.
It looks super hard.
Yeah. Wow. Is that okay? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can look at the, take care.
You can look at the edge.
It's really clean and really thick, this material.
Yeah, you can see I think this is the front side and the back side is it's cleaning. Yeah.
Okay.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's so the maximum thickness of the material that we can cut is 10 millimeter, nearly 10 millimeter carbon steel. And
how about we test the precision of our machine?
Yes, so we have two cameras in our machine. So this will make sure you have you have a lot of smart functions like positioning, like auto focus, and we can auto do auto nesting that you can save material. Because we think that
No. I need to upload the pattern first.
Okay, where is the file? You find the file.
Okay.
Because the metal sheet is always not cheap. Every inch of the material needs to be used.
Yeah, just
so we develop some useful software functions that can help you to make full use of your materials.
Okay, then you can do the smart
nesting. Okay, you choose, for example, you have a lot of joints.
Yeah.
And you can use smart nesting, and you can change the distance by yourself. Like okay, the spacing can be 1 millimeter. So are we switching to the software? Make sure.
Yeah.
So then we click smart nesting. The camera will calculate how to put every single joint on the right position to make full use of the material. So this may take some time. You need to wait about 10-20 seconds.
Oh.
Okay, finish.
Successful. Yeah.
So you can see we put the joints on the.
I think the smart nesting is really useful because you can use some less abandoned material to do some metal blank.
Okay, you can see that the joints are put in the right position.
You can maximum your material usage. So you know the metal is really expensive, so we don't want you to waste your metal.
Okay, so we actually have a close. We have a close.
Close camera.
Close camera. Yeah. So I don't want to cut so many joints. I just don't
delete it.
Cut a circle. I will delete all other material. So let's test the performance of our close view camera. I will change this to 2.
You need to take a photo first.
First, I change the width of the 2 millimeter, height also 2 millimeter.
Oh,
it's very small. I will delete this one. It's very small. So we have a close view. This one? This
one.
I will find the position.
You find a space to take a photo.
Find the position. Okay, I think here.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is our close view camera.
Okay, so I got a close view of the camera.
Where is your circle? Oh, here. Here, right? Okay. So small.
So I want to put it here, but one problem is
maybe here is okay.
Here?
Yeah.
So you can see it's a very tiny operation. So very small objects, put it in a corner. So let's see if our camera can find this position and put it on the way. I may make it edge close to the edge, but maybe not because
I think it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So the parameter. So what's the material we are using is
aluminum. This is the anodized aluminum. Yeah.
The nozzle. So we don't need to use the gas saving nozzle. We use the ordinary nozzle.
Maybe this one is 0.5.
Okay. So let's see. We can cut to find the right position. Okay. Okay. No, I didn't click the start.
No, didn't click start.
Wow.
Oh, so fast.
Okay, so let's take a close view of the camera. So the camera.
Yeah, you can see the little circle.
See? Here is the circle that I put. Very small circle in this position. So with our close view camera, you can trust, and you can put the joints on any position you want, and it will not fail. Yeah, this is the position that I put, and it's so small.
Yeah. Yeah, our machine have a really powerful performer, also have a really precise performer. And also we have a really good software.
So we will have some close view of camera, close view camera. You can see the design details of our machine that you can. So here you can. So this is the mechanism that we how to say, tighten the material, and so keep the material in the and we also use this one to move it, so you can, no matter your material is big or small, and then you can use this one.
We also have the
tighten it, and to, I think this way, lock it, and it's a. So actually, there's a lot of details during the design performance, because we spent 1.5 years to design and iterate the machine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we also have some really just really many software. One of it is customer things, right? So guys, you can scan the QR code and decide and choose your template and add your test and make a design, and we will choose one of lucky winner to cut it and ship it to you as a gift.
Yeah, so you can we have a customer things software is to help you have some small business that you gather the design file from your customers. We will show how this process is. So in order to, we know that a lot of users are using our machine to doing business, and we developed a software to help your business process smooth, very smooth. So you scan the QR code, you will see an interface. So this is the interface that your customer will see, and they can upload their design and change the design. And then you will receive the order just as we show to you. So you will receive the order from the control panel.
Okay.
So what's the, so?
Let's see the order.
Okay, I think
I see one order.
Oh, sorry, it's Chinese. We can change it to English.
Yeah, we change it to English.
Okay, so this is the control panel that if you are a small business owner, your customer upload their designs through a special link, and then you will receive the order. Okay, so now we have several designs here.
Yeah.
We choose one. Carry on.
I think it was, yeah, carry on.
Yeah. So this is the order. Actually, this is the order that you will receive. Oh, it's a lot. 20 of them.
It's also Chinese. You need to switch English.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's switch English. Okay. Wow, a lot of orders.
That we choose
Thank
one.
you so much. And we can choose one of you guys, and then we will ship it to you as a gift.
So here you can see that we can directly open it in the XCS.
Yeah.
Very user-friendly software. So actually, the machine is so powerful, industry-grade machine. But a lot of machines, their software is very hard to use. We make it very easy to use. So here you
connect the device.
Connect the device.
Yeah.
Okay.
Switch. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So we so what material we are using?
1 millimeter stainless steel.
So you can 1 millimeter stainless steel, and we took.
Okay, then we choose a space to cut it.
Yeah, so we choose a space to cut it. So this is the case. The way it's like a Germany
customers. Thank you so much. Stay up too late to watch our live stream.
Yeah, so everything is ready. I just need to click the processing and start. Continue processing.
Okay. Like make.
So let's make the click.
Yeah. We also have a lot of technology in the cutting. We have the flashy chart. That means our laser head sensor can detect the distance between the metal sheets. So it will keep distance to make our metal cutting smooth and more precise. This is one of our technology. Maybe it will take 3 minutes. How about we do a lucky draw?
Yeah, we can do the lucky draw. Yeah, we have 3 minutes testing.
Yeah, it will wait 3 minutes. So you guys will test the MetalFab, and we will do the lucky draw now.
Yeah, we will choose 3 winners.
Yeah, 3 winners. So test the lucky draw in the live. Test the MetalFab in the live chat. MetalFab. Yeah, MetalFab. Lucky draw is here, right? So we'll choose 3 winners to get a $1,000 coupon. So don't miss out our lucky draw. Yeah.
Yeah. So what a lucky draw? What a program we are using to make lucky draw?
It's the software.
Software.
Yeah, we have
automatically choose 3 of them, 3 winners.
Yeah, automatically.
Okay, who is the winner?
Oh, we just say 3, 2, 1, then we.
Okay. 3.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, we just have 3 seconds.
Okay, we wait the number to.
Wait to 200. Okay, wait to 200. Come on, MetalFab.
MetalFab.
Yeah, MetalFab. Oh,
okay, so we have 187 and
about 200. You ready 200?
Okay.
Okay, then it's 199.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, okay.
3,
2, 1.
Sure.
Who's the lucky winner?
Okay, stop.
Oh.
Okay, so first winner is I think it's also a Germany. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's also from Germany.
Yeah, and we also have 2 more.
Yeah, 2 more.
2 more. Then we just.
Two more. Make it.
Maybe 2.
Yeah.
250.
Start. Okay, stop.
Oh,
okay, Christopher.
Christoph. Yeah, thank you so much. Congratulations.
And, yeah, we choose the third winner.
Yeah, the last one. Maybe 300. 300. Okay, guys. MetalFab 300.
Okay, stop.
AP. Thank you so much. Congratulations, AP. Okay. Then.
Okay, these are winners. So here we can see the cutting is nearly finished.
Yeah.
It's nearly
really
finished.
Intricate pattern.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe we need the hammer again.
I will take it out.
You can take it up, okay. Because the material is so thin, so maybe sometimes it will stick into our base material. It's okay?
It's okay.
Oh, wow.
It's very thin. Because it's a thin metal, I try to make it not make it bend.
We put this metal. We put this metal.
全部往上。Okay. Okay. Finally.
You see it. Okay.
Hey, yeah. Okay. So let's take a background. You see the cutting and the back side.
Yeah.
It's very clean. Yeah, there's a small part you need to use a small object to take it out.
Plier to take it off.
Yeah.
I think it's really clean and really.
Yeah, you can see the details, very small details, like this part. Yeah, it's precise, very precise, very beautiful, very clean cut.
You don't have to polish it.
Yeah.
If like the CNC plasma, you maybe need to polish it after the work. But for our CNC machine, don't have to polish it. It's just a really wonderful and really complete design. Yeah.
So you see, with our hardware and the software, so I think as a brand that we hope to lower the barrier of creation and as a brand that help you to boost your business, we have very good hardware and the software. The software is not only XCS, it's very easy to use. It's very, and we also have a software like custom machines that help you to collect designs from your customers to make your business very smooth. And the winners remember to contact our Facebook group
Facebook
manager,
official.
Official manager to contact, and you will get the coupon.
And for the customer fees winner, you also can connect our xTool official Facebook. Yeah. Okay,
so that's all the demos that we will show. But we know that so this machine is not cheap. The combo, the price is more than 10,000. Okay, but you're still worth it. You have a laser welder, very strong, very easy to use laser welder, a laser cleaner, and a very powerful and smart laser cutter. So every single machine, like for example, with a CNC laser cutter, it will cost 20,000, 30,000 on the market. And the laser cleaner, it will be 10,000, 15,000. Yeah. So with our technology, with just one machine, one laser source, you can have all the functions you have. So with this machine, it will make metalworking so much easier and so much precise, and you will do a lot of projects that you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So grab the super early bird price, guys. Don't miss out the opportunity in our live stream and Kickstarter period.
Yeah. And we need to mention one thing is that we know that a good product, good hardware, good laser chip, a very good user experience software, it's not enough, you know?
Yeah. We also have
a very good support system. I think it will be I think it may be the best on the market. So we have a US team based in Silicon Valley, our office in Mountain View, and we have more than 12 people there, and we are building a very strong support network for our product. So yeah, so with very good service with our US team, and not only in US, we also have a team in Germany, and we also have a team in Japan, in Tokyo. So we are building a global network to provide you very good service to you, because we understand that paying this price to buy this machine, that you need to use it for a long time, and you will use it you do a lot of projects. You need very good care and support on the product, and we have. Yeah. So I will introduce our US team general manager Stan to introduce the US office and our support system.
Okay.
Let's introduce Stan.
Welcome, Stan.
There may be some delay during the live stream. Yeah, to make sure Stan is online. Stan. Hi, Stan.
Hi.
Hello.
And some delay. Hi. Yeah, it's your turn.
So
it's a little dark on your side. Can you make it brighter?
Hello.
Okay, you can start.
Are we talking?
There's some delay.
Okay. Thank you, Jason. Thank you. I will take care from here. Hi, everyone. My name is Stein. I'm General Manager of xTool US. And thank you so much for joining us live from the San Francisco Bay Area, United States. And so we have also a crew here, a lot of mix-up guests. We already introduced myself. I don't want to do it again twice to you guys, but from the audience in the camera, in front of the camera, just to echo what Jason said, we do feel very excited tonight to our very first live stream from the States. And today marks a historic moment of us building this official team in the United States. And our local team are here to support this event. And this is truly a testament of unwavering commitment to servicing the local community, to servicing global creators from a localized expertise. So today we're gonna launch a very special program, what we call xTool Squad. And I think it's something we built for months, and finally we are able to launch it. So a couple months ago, we started building our office in Mountain View, California, United States, and we recruited teams from customer service to technical support, from local marketing to field sales. But with one goal in mind is to service our local community, to service people, our audience from the United States, from globally. And that's why I want to take a moment to let you guys watch a quick video from xTool Squad. Just bear me with for 1 second here. A quick video from xTool Squad. Just bear me with for 1 second. Okay.
Got about a 10-second delay.
I know. And you're recorded as well.
A demo room host and part of the xTool squad. The demo room program lets me help people explore the kinds of things that they want to do with lasers and help them find the right type of equipment for their projects.
Hiya, I'm Carrie. I'm a demo room host for xTool and part of the xTool squad.
Hi there, my name is Stephen Avery, and I'm a demo host and a member of the xTool squad.
Hey, what's going on? It's Mike from Dow Designs here, one of the demo room hosts and one of the Pro Hub hosts out of Nashville, Tennessee.
Hi, my name is Tomer. I'm from Prestec in Miami, Florida, and I'm part of the xTool squad. We help customers install, repair, and maintain their equipment.
Hi, I'm Brad, the iHelp Guru. I'm part of the xTool squad.
Hi, this is Susie at Cutcraft Design Studio, a part of the xTool squad.
All right, so what is xTool squad anyway? So the point of building this team is actually to bring our tools like the MetalFab closer to people, and not just digitally, but physically. So imagine a world where every creator, maker, artist, teacher, and small business owners can have access to laser technologies and trainings very easily. So we built this team to make that happen. And we are building a team from 3 different layers or stages. Number 1 is called demo rooms for hands-on trainings and demos, or some skill trainings and material testing. And service station, that's for technical support and maintenance. Then finally, Pro Hubs. It's for full service and enterprise solutions and community events. So together, we are creating a network of local creative hubs, and it's already starting to take shape. So this approach, the value proposition for our customers or the creators like you guys is to providing that risk-free exploration that you guys can do test run on machines like the MetalFab. Or you can do a very quick material testing guided by experienced demo room hosts. And you can learn from hosts who have already mastered their workflows to avoid pitfalls and accelerate your creative journey. Then finally, there's no corporate scripts here, so it's a real feedbacks from the peers who've already been turning extra machines into profit engines. And for our hosts, you can earn referral points, bonuses, and exclusive discounts when visitors purchase through your demo room links. And you can become a local leader in tech innovation, and you can also be featured in xTool Squad global network. And finally, as a qualified host, you can upgrade to advanced machines like the MetalFab here at the preferred rates. So our solution is not just about selling machines. It's also about offering a full experience so you can try out different demo room services for different machines, and you can book time for technical support, and you can also learn new skills, excel. As we just demoed here from MetalFab, it's literally having Mike, having Jacob, having Stefan, having Alan in front of you in the camera, give you a real person demo. So they will give you all the feedbacks how to excel in this creative journey. So how to level up as a host. We have a 3-path journey here. And as demo rooms, you can focus on hands-on demos and skill training and material training. But if you ever want to level up, you wanted to service your local community, you can also become a service station, which allow you have a more capability, toolings, and also a longer and a bigger capacity to service and travel to your community to service people in their house. So provide the installation, commissioning, and the service. And eventually, if you wanted to scale up more, having more trainings from the team, you will eventually become our Pro Hubs. And that's a full house, full service regional anchor with enterprise level of support and events capability. So overall, we are actively growing our tech with the squad teams all together, and which means if you are interested, you are always able to apply for one of the roles. So how does the xTool squad look like today? the landscape of xTool Squad right now is over 50 cities, about 150 xTool Squad teams across US, Europe, and Asia. So we are expanding very quickly, especially in the cities like New York, Bay Area, Chicago, from London, Berlin, to all the major creative and tech hubs. And our goal by end of 2025 is to aim to have 1,000 demo rooms and over 200 service stations. And that's for global. And this will bring us one step closer to 1 hour experience circle, where nearly every creator can reach a live demo and a service within 1 hour of their home. So, and did you know one of our demo room hosts, which is also Pro Hub hosts, already received over 30 bookings on the MetalFab just within 2 weeks. So how to book, right? And booking is very, very easy. If you guys follow me to watch this video, you can see, go to our website. It's a very easy process to book with us as well.
Meet the xTool Squad, your crew of makers, engineers, and dreamers powering the future of fabrication. The game changer is here. The all-new xTool MetalFab laser welder and CNC solution with pro-level precision and unmatched power. Ready to see it in action? Book a demo, online or in person. Just visit our site, create an account, and start exploring our full lineup. From metal fabrication to our latest apparel printing solution. Perfect for bringing your next big idea to life. Then, choose the xTool community member who best fits your needs, book your time, and you're in. After your demo, level up with skill training, material testing, and our commissioning service to get you up and running. And when you need a hand, our repair service is just a click away. Fast, expert, human help when it matters most. Join the xTool revolution. Book your demo now and create like never before.
All right, so it's very easy to book with us. And to make this even more live, I do wanted to invite one of our demo room hosts, which is also the Pro Hub, the very first Pro Hub for our MetalFab today. His name is called Mike Smirka, and he's from Nashville, Tennessee. Let's welcome Mike. Come here, you're gonna.
How y'all doing? As you may know, my name is Mike Smirka. I'm the first Pro Hub host. I opened my shop just outside of Nashville, Tennessee, in Murfreesboro, and I got picked to demo this MetalFab. And a lot of you, over 30 plus of you in the past 2 weeks, as you mentioned, have found out. We do live and in-person training, or live, online and in-person training. And what I've found so far is it gives you the opportunity to see the machine firsthand and in person. It also gets you a chance, before spending the money on the machine, to basically put your hands on the machine, see it from a experience perspective, somebody who's used it a bunch, and kind of guide you along the way. If you have questions, it's alive and in person, whether it's online or physically you're in my shop. It's an in-person demo. You could stop, ask me questions. You can ask to see something. I've had people who have traveled down from Kentucky. They've came into the shop, and one of the things that they've mentioned to me was that they love being able to physically see someone use the machine, put their hands on the machine in person, do a test weld, do a test cut, because a lot of the videos that you see online, you're not sure if maybe there's some edits, maybe it's sped up, maybe it's slowed down. So to be able to see how fast this machine in particular is in real time, real life speed, people get a lot of excitement and a lot of wow out of that. So being able to see it firsthand has been a nice bonus to people. Also, being a Pro Hub, being the first Pro Hub, I've taught a lot of people how to do everything from tumblers onto P2 to photo engraving. So having the opportunity to teach people in that regard on a one-on-one, hands-on approach, as well as be a full-service depot where, you know, if you just have a question and you need some help troubleshooting something, I can reach out to you and kind of help you with some troubleshooting, so you don't have to wait for if your machine's down, if it's something simple. Also, it gives a little insight. Well, maybe it is a hardware issue. I can kind of get past the first couple steps and give you the kind of the playbook to say, hey, we've tested this, we've tested this, we've tested this. It's probably going to need some kind of service. Rather than having to go back and forth, it just provides another level of support that we can give people. And people so far have been really receptive to that. They've loved the fact that they can get an expedited repair to their machine. Or even just a quick answer if it's maybe user error, which if you're in the laser world, we're all guilty of user error from time to time. So saving people from having to wait from thinking their machine's down for that, all the way to actually doing some troubleshooting and getting to the bottom of their actual problem faster is some of the feedback that I've gotten, and people really appreciate that. So that's a little bit of story about me and what the Pro Hub means to me and my experiences with it so far. Being able to see and demo to people firsthand is really going to provide a new approach to not sales, but more to make sure the machine's a right fit for you, to make sure you know how to use the machine properly, to make sure that you can get the lessons so you can actually use the machine for the purpose that you bought it, because nobody wants a paperweight. Everybody wants to be able to open the box, turn on their machine, do their engraving successfully. And that's where this bridges the gap between, technical support, hands-on training, and all of that. And also, it's different watching it on camera sometimes than it is seeing it right in front of you. And this bridges that gap. So we hope that this program keeps growing, and y'all come visit in Nashville if you want to book an appointment. Thank you.
Alrighty, thank you, Mike. Thank you for your support. So next, I will show you guys two QR codes. And one of the QR code is our demo room, become a demo room host, become our xTool squad. And another is our booking QR code. So if you guys feel like if there's anything that sparks an idea, inspire anything, go ahead, apply, become a xTool squad, or apply to book with us on the MetalFab today. And together we are building something truly meaningful, not just a network of machines, but a network of makers, mentors, and magic. So xTool is expanding globally and establishing local offices and teams from Shenzhen, China to Mountain View, California, United States, from Düsseldorf, Germany to Tokyo, Japan. This initiative aims to build a passionate network to host and demonstrating the service of xTool community in real setting world globally. So thank you again for walking through this journey with me. Thank you for Maker Nexus, AWS, our xTool US team, and most of all, you, our community. This is just the beginning, and we are so excited to build a future with you. Let's make things happen together. So let's switch the camera back to Shenzhen, China. Jason, here you go.
Okay.
Hi, Kai.
Thank you, Stan. Thank you, Mike. Yeah. So you see, we understand the global situation is complicated, tariffs, a lot of things. But in xTool, we will firmly invest in the United States. Our US team are growing fast, and we are building a very strong network to provide support to our users. Our support before is not good, but in future, I think it will be one of our most advantage in xTool. So you will see you can see the real machine, the real human that support you. So we think this is really important, and so that's all the demos today, and we hope you like the machine, and we hope you can join us to open a new era of metalworking, to enjoy the creation of metal. And we have some time to take some FAQ.
At the same time, I have to say, although maybe situation in America may be stable, but we promise if the deposit holder, because you are the most earlier deposit holder, then we will promise you, if you pay in 2 weeks, then we promise you worry-free the tariff. Yeah. Yeah.
So for the users that you already pay 500 deposit on our website, if you pay the final payment within 2 weeks, this price will cover everything. including tariffs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the case starter, maybe for case starter, you also is our earliest backer. So we also will cover some parts of tariffs for you. At the same time, I have to say the Kickstarter preview and the live stream always the best price, always. So don't miss out the opportunity.
Yeah, and the shipping time, it will be the 1,200 watt will start from June.
From
and
the local warehouse.
Yeah, from local warehouse.
From the local warehouse.
And the 800 watt will start from August. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think everything is ready here.
Yeah, don't miss out the super early bird price because it's limited. Yes.
Yeah. And so thank you. Do we have some questions on the live demo? Yeah, and I think you will see some demo rooms on MetalFab, and in the future the MetalFab demo room will be a lot more. We will build a network xTool squad during the worldwide. So not only in the US, but in the Germany, in the Europe, in other countries.
Okay. Okay, then thanks for watching.
Yeah, so thank you for your always support to xTool, and thank you for your support to innovation, to very good user experience. Thank you for your support to the quality.
xTool MetalFab.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And support us on Kickstarter.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Your email and pay the final payment. Don't miss out the opportunity.
Welding used to be complicated, required years of training, doesn't seem that safe. And the results? Meet xTool MetalFab. A simple pull for perfect welds every time. From 0.008 inch sheets to 0.2 inch plates. Whether you're a small business owner, DIY user, or hardcore maker, xTool MetalFab simplifies metalworking for you. It has 108 plus presets. Simply select the material and thickness. Whether it's stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, or aluminum, etc. And it cuts perfectly too. But that's not all. MetalFab can even clean. Plus, it performs well between -10 to 40 degrees. It's your all-in-one mobile fabrication shop. Now, there's just one tiny issue. It's a bit expensive. So, how can we fix it? Well, we make magic. Introducing xTool MetalFab CNC Cutter. It's even more expensive. Sorry about that. But it's worth every penny. Using the same laser source, a coherent laser chip outputs powerful 1,200 watt fiber laser power, giving you an industrial-grade CNC cutter. 0.4 inch custom wrench, slicing it through like butter. Look, it's smooth, burr-free. It's not just powerful, it's smart and easy to use. With smart dual cameras, you can preview and calculate every inch of material. One-click nesting, making use of scrap material. Even the smallest objects can be cut with precision, maximizing every scrap of metal. Now, you might be wondering, do I need a massive workshop and a team of professionals to set this up, like other CNC cutters? Not at all. You can install it all by yourself. from start to finish. It's compact enough to fit into your workshop. We're not just helping you save cash. The CNC cutter unlocks a whole new world of creativity. We're handing you the keys to a metalworking revolution. This is xTool MetalFab, where one laser conquers both welding, cutting, and cleaning. So, what will you create with it?